Welcome to Light of the Hills Ministries, and today we are going to be reading the Bible verse of the day, and it is Romans chapter 1 verse 17, for therein is the righteousness of Yahweh revealed from faith to faith. As it is written, the just shall live by faith. This verse shows us something powerful. Yahweh reveals his righteousness through faith. It's not about us trying harder to be perfect, but about trusting him more deeply each day. From faith to faith means our walk is a journey. We begin with faith, and we continue growing in faith. The just shall live by faith reminds us that our whole life with Yahweh is built on trust. Not just in big moments, but in everyday choices, when we don't understand, when things are hard, and when we must wait. Through Yahushua, we are made right before Yahweh, and now we are called to live in that truth daily. Faith is not just something we say, we live it, step by step, trusting Yahweh to lead us. Abba Yahweh, thank you for revealing your righteousness to us through faith. Help us to trust you more each day. Teach us to walk by faith in every situation, even when we cannot see the way. Strengthen our hearts to rely on you fully. Amen. Thank you for watching and listening. If you found this to be a blessing, please consider sharing, liking, and please click on the notification button to be notified of the next devotion. Also, please comment below on how we can pray for you and how this has blessed you. Yahweh bless and shalom to your home.